Have you been studying English for months, but still can't speak confidently? You're not alone. Most people study English the wrong way. They spend too much time memorizing grammar. Instead, start by listening to English every day. Even just 15 minutes can make a huge difference. Don't learn difficult words first. Master the most common words people use every single day. Read simple stories instead of boring textbooks. Your brain remembers stories much better. Speak English out loud every day. Even if you're alone, your speaking muscles need practice. Don't learn 50 words at once. Learn just 5 useful words every day. Consistency beats motivation. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Watch videos made for English learners. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. The secret is simple. Use English every day. Not just study it. That's how real progress begins. Flashcards are one of the fastest ways to remember vocabulary. Review just a few words every day instead of hundreds at once. Try to connect English words with pictures, not your native language. This helps your brain think directly in English. Talk to yourself in English every morning. Describe what you're doing, even with very simple sentences. Use free learning apps to practice every day. Just 10 minutes can build a strong habit. Watch movies with English subtitles. Listen carefully and read the words at the same time. Turn your free time into learning time. Listen to English while walking, cooking, or exercising. Write one short sentence every day. Simple writing helps you remember grammar naturally. Practice with real people whenever you can. Speaking is the fastest way to improve confidence. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new and helps you improve faster. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Stay consistent, and every small step will take you closer to fluency. The fastest learners have a plan. Even 15 minutes a day is enough if you stay consistent. Comics are great for beginners. The pictures help you understand the meaning without translating every word. Put English labels on things around your house. You'll learn new words every time you see them. Change your phone and social media to English. You'll learn naturally without extra study time. Pause videos when you hear a useful sentence. Write it down and repeat it out loud. Believe that you can improve. Confidence makes learning easier and speaking less stressful. Keep your notes organized. A clean notebook helps you review faster and remember more. Listen carefully and copy native speakers. Repeat the same sentence until it sounds natural. Track your progress every week. Seeing improvement keeps you motivated to continue. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. Keep learning a little every day, and you'll be amazed by your progress. Here's a powerful technique called shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately after them. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on copying the rhythm and pronunciation. Record yourself speaking English. Listening to your own voice helps you notice mistakes quickly. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers. Small improvements add up over time. Start thinking in English. Describe what you see around you using simple words and sentences. Practice with real objects around you. Simple sentences help your brain build confidence. Don't memorize the entire dictionary. Learn useful phrases that people actually say every day. Learning complete phrases is faster than learning random words. You'll speak more naturally. Practice every day, even if it's only 10 minutes. Daily practice beats occasional long study sessions. You don't become fluent in one day, but every small step moves you closer to your goal. Start your day with just 10 minutes of English. Morning practice helps your brain remember more throughout the day. Read one page every day. Don't rush. Focus on understanding the main idea instead of every single word. Write only 3 new words today. Use a picture or a simple sentence to help you remember them. Turn walking into learning time. Listening every day trains your ears to understand natural English. Pause the video after every sentence. Repeat it out loud until it feels natural. If possible, practice with another learner or a native speaker. Real conversations build confidence much faster. Don't fear mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson that brings you one step closer to fluency. Never break your learning streak. Even 5 minutes counts because consistency creates real progress. Some days will feel difficult. Keep going anyway. Small daily efforts always beat giving up. Remember, fluency isn't magic. It's the result of small actions repeated every single day. The internet is full of free English lessons. You don't need expensive courses to improve. Podcasts are perfect for improving your listening skills. Listen whenever you have free time. Find YouTube channels made for English learners. Learn one useful lesson every day. Don't start with difficult grammar books. Simple stories make learning more enjoyable and effective. Practice speaking every single day. Even talking to yourself helps build confidence. A complete learning routine includes listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Practice all 4 skills regularly. Real progress comes week after week. Be patient and trust the process. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were last month. One day, you'll realize you're having real conversations in English. That's the reward for staying consistent. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Every day brings you closer to fluency. Let's review the 4 habits that make the biggest difference. Listen, read, speak, and write every single day. Remember, consistency beats intensity. A little practice every day is more powerful than studying for hours once a week. Believe in yourself. Confidence grows every time you open your mouth and speak, even if you make mistakes. 1 page at a time, 1 word at a time, 1 conversation at a time. Small steps create big results. Fluent speakers weren't born fluent. They became fluent because they never stopped practicing. Learning with friends can make the journey more fun. Encourage each other and practice together whenever possible. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best day to start improving your English is today. If you follow these habits every day, your English will improve faster than you think. Success isn't about talent. It's about showing up every day and refusing to quit. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. For more simple English lessons every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.